machine incorporates all the experience gained when it comes to machine tool building and machining of aluminum structural components. As you can see right here, this is a big machine, but for a good reason. The approach in this case is one size fits all. The machine incorporates two large chambers to cope with chassis parts such as subframes and others. The machine frame is sturdy, being a closed welded construction. It's filled with a special material called Hydropol. It supports vibration dampening. Let's have a look inside. Included in the frame is the chip conveyor. The integration makes the machine leak-proof, and its extra wide design is optimized for MQL. To minimize the use of floor space, the chip conveyor of two machines can be coupled. As you can see here, the design is optimized for accessibility. Not only the operator, but also for the automation and, of course, the maintenance crew. The working area itself offers so many smart solutions. One certainly is the stainless covers on the walls. Another cool feature are the lightweight covers on the XY axis. Details like these show the high standard and the experience gained by Wenzler in numerous projects. Look, directly connected to the working area is the tool magazine. It works as a pickup tool magazine. This chain type magazine holds 36 tools. No matter if you want the HSK 63 spindle or rather opt for the HSK 100 version. The machine table holds the rotary axis. On top of the machine are the translatory axes. An impressive agility comes with that design principle. But that's not all. A free chip fall is perfect for the integrated MQL technology. I mentioned earlier the outstanding accessibility. 3 sides are always free to enter. Only the loading side is dedicated to the automation. On top of the machine, the maintenance staff will be pleased. Ready-to-use grids and open design make work up there much more easier. Speaking of an easy life, granite management ball screws are standard. You are certainly right to expect smart solutions and outstanding performance from a Wenzler machine. And in my opinion, they delivered. The closed frame secures reliability and precision. The 2 chambers are right sized for structural parts. The accessibility supports our common goal for maximize OEE. And with the small footprint, the occupied floor space per part definitely sets the benchmark. I hope you enjoy this short presentation. So call them now, and I promise you they will have the suitable solution for your aluminum structural component.